Today we're unlocking the secrets of the 2025 Audi RS7 Sportback, a car that doesn't shout for attention but commands it anyway. Is this the best blend of luxury and lunacy on four wheels? Let's take a closer look. The RS7 Sportback oozes performance elegance. With its wide body, signature single-frame grille and flared wheel arches, it looks like it's in motion even when parked. The 2025 model gets subtle refinements, sharper lines, more aggressive air intakes, and new OLED taillights that animate when you approach. Beneath the hood sits a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 punching out 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, up from last year's model. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. And the sound? Deep, thunderous, and addictive. Don't you? Inside, the RS7 is a tech-luxe masterpiece. A fully digital Virtual Cockpit Plus display puts all the data you need at your fingertips. RS-specific seats wrapped in Valcona leather offer both massage and memory functions. The flat-bottom steering wheel, carbon fiber trim and customizable ambient lighting make it feel like a cockpit built for speed and comfort. Tech-wise, Audi doesn't play. You get adaptive air suspension, dynamic all-wheel steering, lane centering assist, and a 3-dimensional surround view camera system. The Bang & Olufsen 3-dimensional advanced sound system with 19 speakers turns your music into an immersive experience. Want to cruise like a VIP? It's got you. Switch into RS mode and everything tightens up. The steering gets sharper, the suspension firms up, and the exhaust unleashes its full fury. Yet, in comfort mode, it's a whisper-quiet grand tourer. It's Jekyll and Hyde. And that's what makes it irresistible. Need room for the kids or a Costco run? The RS7's Sportback design gives you nearly 25 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats up, more with them down. And yes, the back seats actually fit adults. It's a supercar you can live with. The 2025 Audi RS7 Sportback is a rare breed. It doesn't scream for attention. It earns it. Equal parts elegance and aggression. It's the car you drive when you want to outpace a Porsche, but still pull up to the opera in style. If you think the RS7 is the ultimate luxury missile, hit that like button. Comment below. Would you daily drive this beast? And don't forget to subscribe for more high-octane reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay focused.